What is up, guys? Homestead Teen here once again, making a video with the 308 E2. So today we are making a road. So let me show you what I did so far, because I did this last night in the dark and I forgot to record, but it's okay, I'm gonna record. I still got a few hundred feet to go or something. Here's what I have so far. Not too bad. But I went to get my mom bring the tripod over and went to wait because this is really cool. Like, look at the hills there. They're pretty big. But yep, we're gonna run the 308 E2. Been a while since 308's been on the channel. Figure it's time to get her back on the channel. I gotta climb up these rocks. And these fall apart pretty easy. Now, if you are wondering what this is actually really cool. It's like a fossil, and they just fall off. That's how you know they're fossil. See? But let's hope I don't fall and break my teeth or something. Okay, there we go. Alright, let me set the tripod up quick, guys, and then we're gonna get started here. So as you can see, I'm gonna throw a whole bunch of dirt there to make my road. It's originally gonna go straight, but I'm gonna turn it over because that's a bigger drop off going that way. So just give me a minute, guys. Takes a second. I usually have the tripod set up by the time I'm doing this, but like I said, I have my mom bring it over, so okay. Let me set yous up. Oh, sorry, guys. Alright, there we go. Let me put yous up one more. Okay. I actually fly in an area right here so I could do this a little easier. Okay, worst part is kind of would prefer yous back a little more, but let me try aiming this down a little to give you a better view. There, that actually looks really good. Okay, I want to get the sheen in this too, so give me 1 second. Sorry, guys, for the inconvenience. I really made this so it would go a little quicker so that then you could see me running it, so you aren't waiting. But oh yeah, that's good. Alright, I'm gonna aim these then once I get finally past this part, so let's get started. shift you guys so you can see a little better even. Alrighty. I can finally put you guys over here. Alright. Well, let's keep going with the road. I'm hoping to do only 2 parts. Because you see that oak tree all the way out there? Once I get through here, it should drop off. So I'm expecting maybe 2 parts, maybe less. So let's try and get this done in 2. So I'm going to make a part 2 because I know my mom, she didn't want any trees down, but this one, let me actually aim these up so you can actually see a little bit. Okay. This one right behind it, that is definitely gonna have to go. So now this is a 4-wheeler trail, so I don't gotta make this absolutely pretty, but good enough for when, like, you know what I mean, you bring a 4-wheeler. So it's for to have fun on, but I want to get to where our valley drops off. So all right, yous are gonna be over there this time, so see yous on part 2. Subscribe, follow for more. Bye.